Hello gorgeous people, my name is Sukanya. Welcome back to my channel. With Navratri just around the corner, I am super excited to share a festive makeup look tutorial with you. I have created a couple of YouTube videos showcasing detailed hair care, skin care, body care, basically complete self-care routines for Navratri and festive season. If you haven't seen them already, then please go check it out after this video. So today we are creating a bold and vibrant eye look, which is perfect for the celebrations. It's bright, fun and full of festive energy. Whether you're dancing the night away at Garba or just want to bring a pop of color to your Navratri outfits, the look that we are going to create today will definitely make you stand out. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also connect with me on other social media handles. Now let's get started. Every makeup routine starts with the skin prep, and I have already prepped my skin with moisturizer and primer so that the makeup stays fresh throughout the night. A good long-lasting base is really very important, especially when you're out dancing during Garba or Dandiya. If you have been following me for quite some time, then you must know that I do not like full coverage, full face foundation, 10 layers of makeup. Instead, I do a very natural looking skin-like makeup which leaves my skin super breathable, as I sweat a lot and I will definitely sweat by the end of the day. And I do not want my skin to look patchy or my pores to get clogged with all the dirt, impurities and makeup products. Now with that being said, let us start with our base makeup. I'm using the CC cream from Lakme. This is a complexion care cream with SPF 20. This is going to be a no foundation makeup look. I'm just going to take a small quantity of this CC cream on this sponge and then just simply apply it on my eyelids and on my under eyes and then start blending it. Just dab, dab, dab and blend. Just gonna repeat the same on the other side, eyelid and the under eyes only for now. It is super hydrating, so moisturizing and it blends super duper easily. Once it's blended nicely, then I'm gonna move on to the next step. If you have more dark circles or under eye bags, then obviously you can use more concealer and foundation to hide it all, but I'm going to go with just a CC cream for today. Now moving on to the compact powder, applying it on the eyelid and on the under eyes, just slightly dabbing and patting it on top of the CC cream to set the cream in its place. Repeating the same on the other side as well. That's it, the CC cream is set. Now we'll move on to the fun part because eye makeup is my favorite. I'm going to use this amazing and very beautiful and colorful eyeshadow palette for today's look. I mean, just look at the shades. So beautiful and so colorful. I think I'm definitely gonna match my eyeshadow with the top color. Especially this orange hint is so pretty. So I think I'm gonna go with this bright orange color shades from this eyeshadow palette for today's eye look. I'm going to take a generous amount of these orange shades from this eyeshadow palette with my MAC Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. And then I'm just gonna apply it directly on my eyelids. Oh my god, just look at the pigmentation. It's so pretty. Wow, just love it. Just gonna slightly blend it until I am happy with the pigmentation. pigmentation is actually awesome. It looks so beautiful. Now let's just do the same on the other eyelid. I'm really happy with the eyeshadow. Now let us highlight the inner corners. And for that I'm using the Makeup Studio Deluxe Eyeshadow Palette. This palette has been in use for quite some time and I absolutely love these shimmery shades for the inner corners. I'm going to use this particular shiny shade. Inner corner highlights is definitely a game changer. It makes the eyes look brighter, bigger, and more energetic. Do you see the difference right after the inner corners? It looks so much more open, brighter and full of life. Now it is time for the eyeliner and I'm going to create a winged eyeliner using my absolute favorite Lakme Insta Liner water resistant liquid eyeliner. Alright then, let's create some wings. I'm really happy with this winged eyeliner. How it came out is so pretty. Now the difficult part is to copy it on the other side. So, what do you guys think? They are almost twinning. They're definitely sisters, maybe not twins, but it's almost there. I think I've done a great job with the eyeliners today. This one is super sleek, and so is this one. Now the next step. Let's curl up those lashes with the eyelash curler. I'm going to apply this Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara. This is one of their latest launches and I absolutely love this mascara. Just look at the wand. Super spiky and so good. So this has a bubble formula which makes it absolutely lightweight. Even after applying like several or multiple coats of mascara, it does not feel heavy on the eyelashes and also does not form any clumps. It's really one of the best mascaras lately in my makeup vanity. It in fact holds the lower lashes so well and makes it thick and long as well. Ah. Mascara got touched over here. No problem, we'll clear it out later. This mascara genuinely gives volume, curl, as well as length. I mean, lashes like this, then we do not even need false eyelashes. This is amazing. Alright, now let me just clear out this dot and then I'll be right back. Just look at my eyelashes now. The length, the volume, and the curl, top notch. Like, this is really great mascara. You guys have to get your hands on this Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara. Now, I am very happy with my eye makeup, so let us focus on our base a little bit more. I'm going to take a small quantity of this Flawless Full Cover Concealer from Color Bar, and I'm going to mix a small quantity of my Lakme CC cream with it. Now I'm going to apply this mixture of the concealer and the CC cream on my skin to just make sure like my skin is looking very even toned. Now I'm just gonna slightly set it all in with the compact. That's it. Now let us add some blush and some highlighter. And for that, I'm going for this peach color blush. This is shade number 02 by Mila Beauty from the Blush Babe Powder Blush collection. Wow, the packaging is super cute. Just look at it. So cute. And the shade looks fantastic as well. Alright, I'm going to use this blush brush. Wow. It has a matte finish, super long lasting, and also very easy to blend. Just look at the pigmentation. It's really good for a powder blush. This level of pigmentation is amazing. Super buildable as well. I really like this formula. It feels super soft and glides on my skin. That is it for my blush. Now let's see a highlighter. This is the highlighter that I'm going for. Just look at the shine on my face. The cheekbone is like shining bright. It looks so pretty. It gives such a natural glow on the skin and it does not look very glittery type. So I really like this highlighter. I think I'm gonna put like a hint of it on the nose bridge as well. That's pretty much it. Adding the same highlighter to my brow bone as well. Just with my ring finger, just slightly dabbing it on the brow bone. Now let's move on to the lips, and I want to wear an orangey coral shade. So I'm going for this shade number 08 called Khil Khilata Coral, which is a liquid matte lipstick by Nourish Mantra with SPF 15. Instead of a glossy satin or a cream based lipstick, I like matte finish for long wear because I don't want to replenish my lipstick 100 times during the day while doing the Durga Puja Pandal hopping or during the Garba nights. It's easy to apply and is very, very long lasting as well. I absolutely love this shade. Just look at the bright coral orange color. So pigmented and looks super beautiful. What are your thoughts on this lip shade, guys? Please let me know in the comments below. I need you guys to rate this lipstick out of 10 because I really love the color. The formula is great. It's already drying. I can feel that it's getting matte now. Feels super good on the lips. So this is my final look, guys. What do you guys think about this makeup look? It is simple yet vibrant. Also, my skin feels super breathable. It does not feel heavy on my skin at all. So please do leave your feedbacks and honest thoughts about this makeup look in the comment section below. Moral of the story, naturally clear and glowing skin is the best makeup. So please follow and watch my skincare, hair care and all kinds of self-care routines and achieve the best version of your skin. If you like this makeup look on me, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also share it around for makeup look inspiration. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and my content and also connect with me on other social media handles. Please watch my Navratri and festive special self-care routines after this video and also comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next on my channel. So bye bye gorgeous people, I'll see you all in my next one.